Tom Search is a proper Melbourne style cafe. Tom Search pride on great food, coffee and service. The sum of us bakery, cafe, roastery. One of the first cafes to launch in the industrial district of Al Quoz, transforming the area Dubai. Location map and directions. From Abu Dhabi, cruise north down Sheikh Zayed Road towards Dubai. From Dubai, road towards Abu Dhabi. 15A Street, Al Quoz 1, Dubai. Tom Arnold and Sergio Lopez. These are the founders of Tom Search Cafe. Tom Arnold win the award of Australian Business Person of the Year, UAE 2019. One of the first cafe to launch in the industrial district of Al Quoz, transforming the area to what is now a culture haven for startup art galleries, food concepts and coffee roasters. Born out of a desire to dish up honest, wholesome fare and great coffee to Dubai residents from walks of life, the urban industrial space has become one of the city favorite hidden gems. Here you will find cafe European, vegetarian friendly, vegan options, gluten free, breakfast, lunch, brunch, valet parking, takeout, accept Visa, accept MasterCards, table service, cash only, free Wi-Fi, etc. Centered around wholesome fresh ingredients, our menu celebrates flavor at every opportunity. We use free-range eggs and have plenty of vegetarian and vegan-friendly options. We are now for holding food poop-ups. Our coffee is very special. One of the first cafe to launch in the industrial district of Al Quoz. Our beverages, you will find extraordinary. Here are some products. Rates are in Dubai currency. Bread, croissant box, cookie box, gluten-free box, chocolate chip cookies. Here you can find a very beautiful chocolate and hazelnut cake in just $190. Our logo t-shirts for kids. We have a large variety which you can see in our menu. Here you can watch hot sandwiches, prawns, soups, etc. Here are some ingredients, or you can say some items from our menu with rates. The Aussie chicken salad is very awesome, very delicious. Pink pitaya, lean bean, green beast, coconut yogurt, mango, passion fruit. Our sweets are very awesome. Latte, chai is also available here, hot chocolate or iced. Here rates are mentioned in UAE currency, dirham. We also have Indian food and Pakistani food. Here you can watch our menu of Indian food, curry in a hurry, chicken tikka masala, etc. Here is a look of our yummy burger. Tom and Search was established in Dubai in 2013 by Tom Arnold and Sergio Lopez. Tom comes from Australia, Sergio comes from Spain. Tom likes making good food, Sergio likes eating it. Every dish is crafted to satisfy the highest standard in the land. Ours due to for the ingredients. And while many restaurants treat their recipes like state secrets, we believe that any recipe worth making is worth sharing. So if you want to know exactly how something is prepared, ask. There is no mystery in how we do what we do. Just the freshest ingredients crafted with patience, care, and forethought. If this is your first time at Tom and Search, welcome. If this is your second time at Tom and Search, welcome back. And if you have come to Tom and Search more than twice, welcome home. Find the coolest coffee in town. Thank you. Must visit Tom Search when you will visit Dubai. Thank you. We will give you best services.